Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So we're just going to go ahead and get right on into it. Today I'll be installing some crochet hair extensions from Hotbraids. This hair is 20 inches and it's thick, y'all, but this is their 4A, 4B exotic afro kinky curly texture, and this hair was a vibe. I will say, if you like the natural styles, this hair is definitely for you. It literally resembles our texture so good. And this could also be a really good protective style if you're like me and you're trying to take a break from the lace wigs, the glue, and all of that extra tension that our hair hates. So crochet hair is fairly easy to install. I always start my base out with 4 flat twists because I'm super tender-headed, y'all. And that also allows me to stick to my 1-hour hairstyles, which I love, because anything over 2 hours, we're going to have to discuss doing another style. The thin strand on these crochet extensions makes it really easy to pull through your hair. And I also love doing it this way because the takedown is so much easier. When taking these down, I literally pull the loop at the base of my twist, pull it straight down, and that's how it comes out. Another really easy way to remove these is just by unraveling your hair, and the hair comes out with it. So as you guys can see, I do have 4 flat twists, but I layer the crochet hair. So I loop them through the twist And that's it, y'all. This hairstyle literally took me 1 hour, and I was so excited when I saw this final look. If you've been seeing these crochet extensions and you've been thinking to yourself like, I want them, but I don't know if I want them, girl, this video was for you. Look at how seamless this hair blends with my natural hair. Like, I can't make this up. Give your hair a break from the wigs and all of the tension and heavy braids that are pulling out our hair and our edges, and just try a good protective style like this one. When I say it doesn't get any more natural than this, literally. I'm gonna leave the link to these crochet extensions below in the description box. Hotbraids is also having some bundle deals, y'all, so go check that out and let me know if you've ever tried these crochet extensions or you want to try them or have any questions in the comments.